Siyempre, Aurora.
Galing. Bataan.
Tatak Bulakenyo.
Love Pampanga.
Natural, Tarlac.
Obra at kultura ng Nueva Ecija.
Best of Zambales.
27th Recalcitrant Zone continues to reflect DTIP's commitment to promote products that are not only on market ready, but also rooted in our heritage and mindful of our future. From artisanal crafts to gourmet delicacies,
Department of Trade Industry, our commitment to empower the MSMEs remains steadfast. And of course, we are guided by the MSME Development Plan of 2023 to 2028. We continue to pursue the strategic goals that strengthen the MSME ecosystem, promoting productivity, competitiveness, access to market, access to finance, as well as access to technology, both here and abroad.